The Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra was officially announced, and is scheduled for general retail release on March 11, 2026, starting at $1,299.99. The S26 Ultra maintains its position as the premium flagship in the S26 lineup with several hardware iterative improvements. The device is slightly thinner and lighter than its predecessor, measuring 7.9 mm thick and weighing 214 g. Available in cobalt violet, black, sky blue, and white, the S26 Ultra's display is via 6.9-inch QHD plus dynamic AMOLED panel. A new privacy display feature should reduce side-angle visibility to protect content from prying eyes. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 SoC, minimum RAM is listed at 12 GB and up to 16 GB per 1 TB configurations. The phone will likely launch with Android 16 and One UI 8.5, a 200MP sensor with an improved f/1.4 aperture that reportedly captures 47% more light than previous models. Includes a 10MP3x optical zoom telephoto lens and a 50MP5x optical zoom periscope telephoto lens. A 50MP ultra-wide camera, a 12MP front-facing camera with a wider 85-degree field of view lens. Battery capacity in the S26 Ultra is 5,000 mAh with 60W wired charging, and Qi 2 wireless charging supported. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.